Hey everyone, in this video we'll be going over this Algebra SAT practice problem. So the question is, Kathy is a repair technician for a phone company. Each week she receives a batch of phones that need repairs. The number of phones that she has left to fix at the end of each day can be estimated with the equation P equals 108 minus 23D, where P is the number of phones left and D is the number of days she has worked that week. What is the meaning of the value 108 in this equation? So let's underline our important information to start. Important information 1 is our equation. Anytime you have an equation, you want to underline it and make sure that you note it down because it's likely important. So you have P, and P is the number of phones left, and D is the number of days she has worked that week. And then lastly, our question is, what is the meaning of the value 108? So in the equation, P equals 108 minus 23D. What is 108? So basically, let's look at our choices. Kathy will complete the repairs within 108 days. Kathy starts each week with 108 phones to fix. Kathy repairs phones at a rate of 108 per hour, and Kathy repairs phones at a rate of 108 per hour. So in our question, let's underline, in our answer choice, let's underline the information that we know that could be important. 1, in choice A, so repairs within 108 days. Kathy starts each week with 108 phones to fix. And then choice C and D are similar because they refer to rate. Now, immediately what you should see is D is the number of days she has worked that week, and 108 does not have a D attached to it, and it is just a flat rate. Thus, it is just a flat number. Thus, it doesn't refer to rate, because rate would have another variable attached to it. Per day. She's fixing 23 phones per day. So 108 is not your rate. So we can knock out C and D. Now down to A and B. Kathy will complete the repairs within 108 days, or Kathy starts each week with 108 phones to fix. Now P is the number of phones left. And since we know that P is the number of phones left, and D is the number of days she has worked, 108 would refer to how many she starts with, because she fixes 23 in a day, and depending on the number of days, she reduces by intervals of 23. Now, if we were to keep on subtracting from that 108, eventually, the outcome will be the number of phones left. So we know that 108 is how much she starts with. So the answer choice is B.